Not much looking for in these besides the yellow press proofs. Hopefully some rookies. Looking for, Tua. Hopefully Joe Burrow. Herbert's been big right now. We got 28 packs, so we'll see what we got. Paul, Tannenhill. Alright, right off the bat, yellow press proof, rated rookie, J.K. Dobbins. Pretty sweet card. Right behind it, another rated rookie, just their standard base. Aaron Jones. Next up, let's start with Emmitt Smith. Eddie Jackson. Would you look at that? Joe Burrow. I mean, just a reminder, guys. I mean, if you see these here, these packs, again, I got 28 of them. They're $1 a pack. You can see them, I'd grab them. Last I saw this card, going for 50, 60 bucks. So, great card there. We'll get that sleeved up afterwards, but I'm a Pats fan myself, so Uche is another solid one for me. Just a PC. Alright. No, I mean, now the rest of these are just for fun, because anything else you get's just bonus on top of that. Drew Brees, good veteran to get for a press proof. Probably still worth something. Trayvon Diggs as your standard rookie. And a Tom Brady, Buccaneers. Then I'll post these codes here, just pop them up for anybody who maybe wants to use them. Let's see, you could win 2 tickets to the Super Bowl. Who knows if that's possible with all this, but I'm sure there's some type of prize I'll still be giving out. Alright, Justin Tucker. Ed Oliver. A press proof rookie. Marlon Davidson. Let's see if it's got anything on him. Defensive end. Give me a pile for that. Another Pats rookie. I'll take that. I have the yellow press proof of this. Dalton Keene. Hasn't really touched the field yet. Neither has Asiasi, but hopefully soon. Would like them to produce like Gesicki is. Look at that. It's a solid Pats uni there. Drew Bledsoe. Add that to the Pats there. Jonathan Joseph. Another regular press proof. Tyler Lockett. Solid player, obviously. Prefer a DK Metcalf, though. Mackie Becton. He's been actually really good for the Jets in what has been a terrible season. Just with the rookies. AJ Green, and then there's another code if anybody wants that. Yeah, I do have a rated rookie. Looks like it may be another Tua. Should be nice. Julio. Rated rookie here as well. So we got Bryan Edwards. Rated rookie press proof. Ugh, not a Tua. Devin Bush. Bush. Alright, and so far we got 3 press proof rated rookies, which is good. Joe Burrow, obviously a big hit. I'd take another one of them, honestly. Never have too many. And look at that. CD Lamb. Gotta get these sleeved up right after. Sorry, Edwards, he's going in front of you. Just a little bit more. Darnell Mooney rookie card. He's actually, I watched the Bears game last week. He was getting some a lot of targets. Grease. Derwin James. There's another one. Warren Moon. Solid card there. Press proof Deontay Harris. Josiah DeGara. Positions he got. Tight end. Interesting. CJ Zuma. And another code for anybody who wants a code. Casey Hayward. Chandler Jones. Expat there. Let's see. Press proof rookie, Jeff Gladney. Take that. Not a bad card. You never know what these guys will turn into. Javon Kinlaw. It's a pretty sweet pose there. Standard rookie. And Juju Smith-Schuster. Myles Garrett. Oh gosh, is this Herbert? This may be him. Terry McLaurin in front. Press proof rookie. Still not bad. Definitely not the Herbert you're looking for. Or Tua. Anytime you see a little bit of the blue or teal. Wide receiver though, so not bad. Tyler Johnson rated rookie. Brett Favre. Alright, we got Baker. We got Haskins. Bradley Chubb, solid player. There we go. Another Pat rookie, Kyle Duggar. Reno again. Oh, still in the Carolina uniform in there. Greg Olson. Terrell Williams. Haven't heard much of him this year. Van Der Esch, with all the injuries he's had. Solid defensive player, though. And there's a quarterback rated rookie. Jake Fromm. Really liked him in college, but kind of fell down in the draft a bit after not so stellar last year there in college. Snell. I've gotten Chris Godwin, Derrick Henry. Okay, there's that teal again. CJ Henderson. Put him in front of Dobbins. Not going to cover CD there, or Joe Burrow, obviously. Aaron Rodgers, great year he's having. Nick Bosa press proof. Again, not another bad veteran to get. Just thinks he's out the year. He's fun to watch. Key card is a Coulter. Jerome Baker. out there. Montez Sweat. There's that name that's hard to pronounce again. Josiah Degara. Press proof rookie. Wow, that name looks a lot harder to pronounce. I'm not even going to attempt that one, but another rookie. And there is base Lamar Jackson. All right. Jared Cook. Jalen Ramsey. There we go. I'll take that. Press proof Kyle Duggar. Rookie card. For the Patriots. Marlon Davidson, regular rookie. John Ross. Wagner. Jamal Adams. Oh, there's a good throwback. Emmitt Smith there, press proof. Yetur Gross-Matos. Remember hearing about him and his story in the leading up to the draft. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Zeke. Trubisky. Another veteran there. Peyton Manning press proof. Take it. KJ Osborne rookie. Zach Ertz. And pulled a rated rookie base. Oh, there's a good one. Joshua Kelly rated rookie. Yellow press proof. That's a solid one there. It's followed by a rated rookie of Devin Duvernay. So, like I was saying, got these because bought only 5 packs, and I pulled the rated rookie of Antonio Gibson press proof, and then just the regular base rated rookie of Tua. So I was like, you know, looked into the cards, saw what they were worth, and figured might as well clean up. And there is another one. Big name there, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Really helped out by Williams sitting out the season. But it looks like he'll be a solid player despite his size. Gabriel Davis, rated rookie as well. You have to move all these over. Got a lot of camera a bit. Christian. Mara. Terrell Williams. Another rated rookie yellow proof. Darrington Evans. Take that. Another Jeff Gladney. Von Miller. Kenny Galladay. Oh, saw the Chargers logo, got a little excited there, but Mike Williams had a monster week last week. Tristan Wirfs, rookie card, and Big Ben. Miles Jack, looks like some red here. Myles Garrett, another veteran press proof. Quintez Cephas. Starting off with another Von Miller. My boy, Danny Amendola. Not to be a rookie, but Jerry Rice press proof. And then followed by KJ Hamler rated rookie. Tyrann Mathieu. Code. Hunter, Robbie Anderson. There's Gross Matos again. Chase Claypool off a Monster Week rated rookie. Decent card. Tyreek Hill. Peyton Manning. Christian Kirk. Becton. Press proof rookie. Jordan Brooks rookie. Base. McCole Hardman. Saquon. T.Y. Chris Godwin press proof. And a Cam Akers rated rookie. It's Darius Smith. And the last pack. Red, so don't like the red. Yep, not ending big. Austin Hooper. It's alright though. Like I said, can't complain. Andrew Thomas rookie. Miles Sanders. And one last code. There it is. But go through some of these hits here. We'll go through the rated rookie press proofs. Best here with that Joe Burrow. Clyde there. CeeDee Lamb. Joshua Kelly. CJ Henderson. J.K. Dobbins. Darrington Evans. And Brian Edwards.